how to make your own Forex robot automated trading system, expert advisor with no coding skills and for free. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video just to keep me motivated to continue sharing these videos and the knowledge. If you're looking to download stuff, indicators, robots and things like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Okay, so what you're looking at is a robot that I am testing. Basically, I made this robot via MQL5 to trade the synthetic indices, but basically it's using the same rules that I showed in that video where I created a robot using the free EA builder code Fxdreema. It's in a testing stage at the moment, so but basically I just wanted to show you some of the things that have been happening with the robot. It's basically a moving average cross robot, so I just wanted to motivate some of you guys to just show you that it's possible. If you have a strategy that you love, that's working for you, it's possible to turn that strategy into a robot for free. I'm not just promoting Fxdreema. There is another platform, EA Builder or something like that. There are many platforms. If you just Google out there, you sometimes people get scammed and stuff like that, and because people don't care to do research. So if you have a strategy that's working and that you love and you think you can turn it into a robot, there are many resources online where you can turn your strategy into a Forex robot for free or for a small fee. And it doesn't require you to know how to program these things in MQL4 or MQL5 or whatever platform that you use. So yeah, this is just to show you what's possible. Like I said, it's still in the what they call it, beta stage of testing, and it's showing promise. So yeah, I just wanted to motivate some of you that don't be afraid. Go out there, look for these resources. You don't need to learn programming to do this, to turn your strategy into a robot. You can simply do it. Okay, like this video. Until next time, bye.